What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have another update on Jasmy, which has gained an insane amount of value over the last 24 hours. It has pumped up just about 20%, currently valued at just under the 3 cents target. So as you guys can see, over the last 2 weeks approximately, the crypto has gained an insane amount of value. So we're going to be going through its prediction for 2024, looking at, is this a crypto still worth investing into? Is it one to be selling if you are on a profit, or is it one to be holding on to? So covering buyers and sellers point of view, and also looking at its short-term and long-term prediction. But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel, and for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, and as you guys can see, we are still trading in the top tier level here, and we are getting higher and higher. So at the moment it is at its highest point that it has been over the last 2 years approximately, as you guys can see. So we're going to be going through, where is it heading to next? Can it potentially keep heading higher and higher, potentially hitting 4-5 cents over the next couple of weeks and months, or is it going to generally just drop back down in value? But again, before I do that, we're going to hide this and bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, giving us the average value of Jasmy, which is here in purple at 0.022 cents. However, the crypto is actually trading at a much higher value here, just under 3 cents, meaning it's performing very well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart here, we do have the blue and the orange line looking slightly bearish, heading towards the negative direction, meaning minimal drops in value are expected from Jasmy over the next 12 to 14 hours. Reason for that is the minimal drop that's taken place over the last couple of hours has made the graph think the crypto is going to keep dropping in value over the next 12 to 14 hours, which is not the case, because I'm also expecting green candles to be here in between. But again guys, what matters is the overall outcome, which at this point does seem to be more on the negative side. So dropping down to around 0.028 cents in value is where I'm expecting Jasmy to be trading at by midday tomorrow. So at a slightly lower value than where it is at the moment, but of course it is likely to hit green candles in between as well. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, what can we see here? So first of all, the orange line is looking way too steep to be realistic, so that is out of the question, and the blue line is just about slanting towards a negative direction, not looking too steep, so it is quite realistic. However, because both the lines are going in opposite direction to each other, it is said that an overall fluctuation in value is what is expected from Jasmy over the next 7 to 8 days, so by mid to end of next week. However, I'm expecting Jasmy to have gone through an overall increase in value, potentially heading up to 0.033 to 0.035 cents in value is where I'm expecting Jasmy to be trading at by mid to end of next week. However, do expect both green and red days in between, but at the moment the overall outcome does seem to be more on the positive side rather than the negative side. Now moving on to the daily chart over the next couple of weeks, what can we see here? Now we're looking a little bit bullish. We've got both the blue and the orange line heading upwards towards the bullish direction, looking quite positive. However, as I mentioned in the previous chart, they are looking quite steep guys, meaning this is not as realistic as it seems once again. But over the next 6 to 8 weeks guys, mid to late July 2024, I'm expecting Jasmy to have gone over the 4 cents target is what I'm expecting at the moment. But again, it is said dips in between are likely to take place, as I'm also expecting Bitcoin to be hitting a new all-time high over the next 6 to 8 weeks, which should have a positive impact on the crypto market. And of course Jasmy as well, heading over 4 cents is what I'm expecting. However, Jasmy is a crypto that I keep you guys updated on a regular basis, so if there are any major updates or news that I come across that can have a potential impact on the value of Jasmy, I will let you guys know as soon as possible. So make sure you guys stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale. So as I said earlier on in the video, the crypto is currently trading in the top tier level, and it is likely to take dips in between, potentially dropping down into the top tier level. I'm not expecting it to drop down that much for it to go down into the dark green or green zone, but again, dips are always part of the process. But at the moment I'm expecting it to keep recovering, hitting green candles and potentially heading higher and higher from where it is at the moment. So heading into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up near about 200% in the last 24 hours, making it just about $424 million in trading, guys, which is again a huge increase in trading. Reason for that is quite obvious. The crypto has gained an insane amount of value, so we are seeing a lot more people trading the crypto from both buyers and sellers point of view, which in return is also helping the value of Jasmy head upwards. Over the week it has gained 45%, even though it has been quite volatile. We did see quite a major pump earlier on in May, about 4 days ago, took a little dip back down and right now pumping again. And over the month it has gained 77%, guys, which is quite sustainable because it has been a slow and steady increase in value. It's not like it's gained 100-150% in a space of about a few hours. So this is a sustainable cryptocurrency, I would call it that. I have invested into the crypto and I'm still holding on to it. Can Jasmy hit 10 cents by the end of the year? Potentially, yes, 10 cents is possible, even though it is required to go for a major increase in value because of the way it has been performing. I'm expecting 10 cents is reasonable in Q4 of 2024. Let me know in the comment section down below what you guys think about Jasmycoin hitting the 10 cents target. Is it possible or not? Comment down below. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it's free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.